Have you thought about learning VBA but think it may be too difficult or too complex? The problem is that most books and courses tell you about every part of VBA, but they don't show you how to use it properly in the real world. I know what it's like. I've tried to learn programming languages by reading large complex books or completing 5-day courses. I learned a lot about the language but little about how to apply it. That is why I've created this course. It shows you everything I've learned about writing high quality VBA code in simple practical terms. Things you will learn include the 5 VBA loops, when to use them and which to avoid, a step-by-step guide to creating a project with a real-world example, the best way to access the worksheet, an amazing little-known technique, and how to easily test the output of your macros before you run them. Now this course is based on a book I wrote on Excel VBA. It was a #1 Amazon bestseller in the Visual Basic category, and these are some of the reviews it received. Now imagine how you'll feel when you create a macro that will save you countless hours of repetitive work. When your productivity and value as an employee increases exponentially. When you amaze your work colleagues by fixing a problem in an existing Excel macro. And when you can tell potential employers that you are a skilled VBA user. This course is only for people willing to put in a bit of effort, but the rewards will greatly exceed the work you put in. Remember, there is no risk. If you don't get what you want from this course, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. So can you afford to put off learning VBA for even one more day? All this can be just one click away. Click on the Take This Course button now and don't get left behind in your Excel skills. Imagine how great you will feel when you have completed this course and are writing macros like a professional. Why wait another minute? Click to Take This Course now and we can get started creating superior quality macros today.